The Brazilian Amazon is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to a myriad of plants with medicinal properties. Among them, 5 stand out for their effectiveness and traditional use: the Açaí, Catuaba, cat's claw, jaborandi, and andiroba. These plants have been used for generations by indigenous and local communities, and are now recognized worldwide for their health benefits. Together, they represent the power of nature and ancestral wisdom in healing and well-being. The wealth of the Amazon extends beyond its majestic forest to its medicinal plants, such as Açaí, Catuaba, cat's claw, jaborandi, and andiroba. These species are emblems of the natural pharmacopoeia, providing not just health and healing, but also a deep connection to ancestral wisdom. They serve as a powerful reminder that conserving biodiversity is essential for the future of medicine and human well-being. Treasures of the Amazon, the medicinal plants that heal. And the Brazilian Amazon, a biome of unparalleled biodiversity, is home to some of the world's most valuable medicinal plants. Section 1, Açaí, Euterpe oleracea. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits of Açaí. Section 2, Catuaba, Trichilia catigua. Aphrodisiac and stimulating properties of Catuaba. Section 3, cat's claw, Uncaria tomentosa. The cat's claw strengthens the immune system. Section 4, jaborandi, Pilocarpus microphyllus. Information on treating glandular and ocular disorders with jaborandi. Section 5, andiroba, Carapa guianensis. Display of the andiroba tree and the extracted oil. Details on the healing and anti-inflammatory properties of andiroba. Conclusion. These plants are not just healing, but also a link to ancestral wisdom, reminding us of the vital importance of biodiversity for our future.